So see here, for minus 4, next column is minus 4. Again, now 3 minus 4. Now every time you have to write this minus 4 in bracket, because this sign is for 4 minus, this for 4, and this is for subtraction. This is for subtraction. Okay. Now what is the next step? 3 as it is. Instead of subtraction, addition. Take the opposite of minus 4, that is plus 4. You can give plus 4 or simply 4. And then you know simply 3 plus 4 is 7. Okay. Simply you can write 7, then also correct, or plus 7 is also correct. Next is the 8. 8 minus 4. How it will come now? 8 plus 4. Yes. 8 as it is. Instead of minus plus, opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. And then 8 plus 4 is 12. Next, minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 minus 4. So again, minus 3 as it is. This minus 3 as it is. Instead of subtraction, plus. Opposite of minus 4, plus 4. Now here, this 4 and this 3 has different sign. This 4 is having plus sign, this 3 is having minus sign. So for the different sign, take the difference. 4 minus 3 is 1. And give the bigger number sign, that is here 4 is bigger, so plus sign will come. Next, minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4. So again, write minus 2 as it is. Then instead of subtraction, plus. Take the opposite of minus 4, plus 4. And then it contains different sign. Take the difference. 4 minus 2 is 2. And give the bigger number sign, that is plus will come. So here I have solved for you for 6, 9 and minus 4. Now for again in the next column, for minus 5, 0, plus 7 it is given. Okay. Next is for minus 5. So again see here, for the same here, see 3, 8, then minus 3 and minus 2. Again, let me solve now first little. So here 3 minus 5. That means 3 plus 5. That means 8. Did you understand? 3 minus 5. That means 3 I have written as it is. Instead of subtraction, plus. Opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Next, 8 minus 5. So 8 plus 5 is the 30. Next, minus 3 minus 5. That means minus 3 plus 5. Opposite signs now. These are opposite signs. So difference, 5 minus 3, 2. And give the bigger number sign, that is plus will come. Minus 2 minus 5. That means minus 2 plus 5. Different sign, different, take the difference. 5 minus 2, 3. Bigger number sign is plus. So you have to solve in notebook also this way, students. Means for minus 5, this column, you need this much big place. So don't make first only table and then write. Then nothing will understand. So you have to take one column properly, or simply you have to solve like this way, as I solved on here whiteboard. Then next number is 0. So let's see for 0. I had told you, when we add or subtract 0, when we add 0 in any number, that time answer is that number itself. So it is very easy. 3 minus 0 is, you can write simply answers here directly, or if you want the step it will come, or okay. 3 minus 0, that means 3 plus 0, that means 3. As our rule, 3 as it is, instead of subtraction plus, and 0 doesn't have any sign. So every time 0 will come as it is 0, okay. Then 8 minus 0, that means 8 plus 0, that means 8. Minus 3 minus 0, that means minus 3 plus 0, that means minus 3. When we add 0 in any number, answer is that number itself with the sign. So here minus 3 is the answer. Minus 2 minus 0, that means minus 2 plus 0, that means answer is minus 2. So it is very simple for 0. Just you have to write, when we add 0, that time answer is that number itself. So next is the plus 7. Plus 7 here. Again 3 minus plus 7, that means 3 plus minus 7. Yes, 3 minus plus 7, that means 3 as it is, instead of subtraction plus. Opposite of plus 7 is minus 7. Don't forget to take the opposite of this second integer. Then check out here, 7 and 3 signs. Signs you have to check, it is very important, students, here in the plus. So different sign, take the difference. 7 minus 3, 4. What is the bigger number? 7. It contains minus sign. So answer is minus 4. 8 minus plus 7 means 8 plus opposite of minus 7, opposite of plus 7, minus 7. Again different sign, take the difference. 8 minus 7, 1. Give the bigger number sign, that is plus. Give a bigger number is here 8. Next, minus 3 minus plus 7. So minus 3 as it is, instead of subtraction plus, plus 7 opposite, minus 7. Now here both has same sign. So take the addition. Same sign, addition. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. Give the common sign, that is here minus. Next, minus 2 minus plus 7. That means minus 2 plus minus 7 is the, again same sign came here, minus 2 and minus 7. So take the addition. 7 plus 2 is 9. And take the common sign, that is minus. Okay. Then next is the, this is for plus 7. This is for plus 7. Then only two columns remain, that is minus 8 and minus 3. So this minus 8 and minus 3 will be homework for you. Now I had solved you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns for you. Now only 2 remains, minus 8 and minus 3. So for instead of plus 7, you have to write here minus 8. And then same, 3 minus minus 8, 8 minus minus 8, minus 3, minus minus 8. You have to solve, okay. And same for the minus 3 also, you have to solve. One for minus, as it is for minus 4 we had solved already. So now you have to complete this practice set 8 in your notebook. Before that you have to give the heading subtraction of integer, and then after that this now I know you will write, as I told for in my previous video also. So this now I know you will write, and then solve this for all the examples, or I had solved on the blackboard also, that examples are same, these only. So these examples, after now I know, you will solve this example, and then you have to start with the practice set 8. So you will solve it properly without making any mistake. Thank you.